Okay, so you can't see me right now.
In my bedroom.
You can see me. So we are putting up the Christmas tree. See, that's the Christmas tree. It's fake. It's really fake. It's stuff and stuff. And so, yeah, it's fake. The Christmas tree. And so we're just putting up the Christmas tree. And I just want to let you guys know that if you guys didn't know already, this is a vlogging channel. I do have other channels. I do have other channels, but this is normally my vlogging channel and stuff. Wait, can you guys see me? You guys can see me. Wait, yeah, you guys can see me. So, yeah, and all that fun stuff. This is the vlogging channel, and usually my vlogging channels get a lot of love. It's like a clown stalking us. It hasn't been stalking us today. And that's a good thing. To me, it's a good thing. But yeah, it's just... Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Vlogging. Ow, it's my Papa. But you can't see him. You couldn't see him. Wait, I have pictures that I want to show you. It's like a vlogging channel. I love my vlogging channel. Vlogging channels always get more love, but like since I just started vlogging stuff, I have a lot of channels. This was me when I was in Colorado, and so yeah, that's really all. So yeah, I don't know what's happening. So yeah, just been stuff going on that's been really hard for me, and yeah, because with all the clown stuff and all this stuff going on, but at least today's an exciting day. Today's a really exciting day. So yeah, so I'm excited about that. Now you guys can see me better. So someone's knocking at my windows. Someone's knocking at my window. There's no one there. Gave me the chills for a second there. Like, who was at my door? I don't know. Was at my door? Whoever's at my door is about to die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just saw a red thing, and the window's really blurry because it's closed, but I saw a red thing, and it was really creepy, so I really gotta go and hide, and bye.